Another prophecy of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is about to come to pass. He talk and say it go happen in 50 years time, but the thing is happening faster than you imagine. No be small thing o, as we dey talk that one, they say that Ibadan Expl0s. They say that the governor don come outside though. He come talk say that no mind anybody wey dey tell you say dem dey under siege or under attack, say nothing dey happen. Na so dem dey tell us so. However, we go find out how this thing dey happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We see dey here dey bring you updates back to back as e dey hot. We are so sorry today we bring you update very late because we've been busy working on different things, so we'll beg you for that. So so sorry. Yeah my people, let's move into and know wetin dey for our table today. No be small thing o. Remember that in many years ago, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, there is a prophecy that Nigeria oil is going. That's not even Nigeria oil. The oil in the world today is going, and the way things are happening, the whole country are diversing to energy like solar and other things. While your country called Nigeria is still hoping in selling more oil, no future, and this thing is happening fast. I'm going to play you the video for you to watch, and before I come back and proceed.
Total have said it. Total said in the year 2050, they will stop the production of carbon. Carbon fuel, they will stop. I ask you again, go and Google Tesla. You don't know what they do. Go to Mercedes, go to BMW. Do you know that all the cars they're making now are all electric? Some of them, you charge them for 1 hour and they can take you for 120 kilometers. Are you aware of that? Who is going to buy fuel? Are you aware of that? Do you know that Saudi Arabia have started divesting from carbon into solar? Do you know that the Saudi energy minister said they will be exporting renewable energy very soon? This is the world's largest producer of crude oil. What are you doing in the zoo? You are busy rigging election in Edo. You are busy offering yourself as a thug to go and fight and destroy a house of assembly in Edo. Your politicians are still talking about idiots, talking about water and roads, the same garbage since 1960, the same rubbish. I will give you electricity, I will give you water, the same 3 pledges till today. Do you have electricity? The answer is no. Do you have water? The answer is no. Do you have roads? The answer is no. But they keep deceiving all of you. I will tell you the reason why a black man is doomed to fail. I will tell you tonight the reason why genetically a black man is doomed. Forget all this begging. Forget all what we are good at is begging the white man to do something for us. Oh, please, can you hire us? Google, can you employ 40% black? Oh, even Tesla. But when the man was racking his brain, not watching BB Niger, racking his brain how to mass produce electric cars, some of you were busy watching rubbish on television, gossiping, watching foreign teams play. Oh, in this black people, I don't know. I don't want to speak against the spirit, honestly speaking. But black people, you people like you, I don't know. In a statement announcing the write down of his Tassan's assets in Canada and pull out of the country's biggest oil lobby group, Total, French Total, said it considered oil reserves with high production costs that are to be produced more than 20 years in the future. Do you know what I said? They are all going to be stranded. No more oil. That is why Tesla is booming. People are buying electric cars. So all of you is because of our oil. Because you know, we are our own brand of stupidity is very sweet, it's very novel. I don't know the same way they name COVID-19. I think with the passage of every 2 years, the ignorance and the idiocy of a black man from Africa should have a name. Maybe novel stupidity 22. You know the way we have the same way we have novel coronavirus, novel stupidity of a black man. 2022 or 23. We are useless. Useless to the core. We are useless.
Yeah, my wonderful people. Welcome back. As you don't watch that video, this now waiting they see for inside when country are not working. So if you watch my write-up in this video, is if you keep dreaming that Nigeria, or keep dreaming in one Nigeria, keep dreaming in one Nigeria. So this thing you are seeing here is happening faster than you can imagine. You see the way Shell leave, they're about to leave Nigeria total. It's the same way that oil they are be sucking, they are using to kill Biafras. Remember that palm oil was also a treasure to them, and other cocoa and so many things, but today they leave all those things. So Nigeria today is cramming one Nigeria because of oil. In few years to come, that one Nigeria, maybe something more variable will come out from their own region. You will see them talking, we don't want to be part again, or we don't want to be part again. The oil is going very soon. The oil and gas, they are going very soon, because different type of energy will come outside from this world that you can imagine. You can see the one that happened in one Africa country, a guy using energy that even the white people cannot even tell where the energy is coming from. The guy himself don't even know where the energy is coming from. It's happening in one Africa country. If I can remember the name of that guy and the country where it's happening. So in Nigeria today, you see this oil and gas they are using to keep Biafran people, or to keep Nigeria as one. It will go, and you will see that everybody will be running helter-skelter to find his way. Maybe it will happen in our own time. My people, as this one they happen, waiting they happen now. We say the governor of Ibadan, where the explosion happened, he don't come outside to come talk. He said that the thing will happen there. He say they know they under attack. Now waiting talk. We will play you the video, may you watch, and before we will come back, contribute some things.
Us will be brought to book. Just as we were about starting this press conference, I received a call from Mr. President. I want to specially thank him. He has approved that the National Emergency Management Authority be on ground, and I can confirm they are already on ground working with us locally here. And he also gave his condolences, to the people that have lost loved ones in this unfortunate incident. And he's also giving us the assurance that he's with us at this trying period for us. So it's a trying time for all of us, but it is at such times like this that we draw on our strength and resilience to be our brother's keepers. And let us refrain from spreading fake news and disinformation that could potentially cause panic within the populace. CP Osheni has clarified some of the misinformation going on. I saw on a platform where some people said, oh no, Yoruba land is being invaded and all of that. And these are people who may not even be anywhere near Nigeria, talk less of Oyo State. So let us be mindful of what we say. And I read funnily on a platform also where somebody said, oh, some random people on the street mentioned that they were being asked to pay to receive medical treatment. or they were being asked to pay, to stay in the hotels. Who should they believe? Should they believe the random people, or should they believe myself as the governor and the chief security officer of this state? Yes, that is how low we have sunk as a country, where people, they doubt their leaders. The gap, between the government, the trust deficit, between the government and the people, kept widening. It's a wake-up call, really, for all of us. So once again, I urge all to remain calm, as the authorities in Oyo State are on top of the situation. Thank you, and God bless you.
Thank you, Excellency. We'll take brief questions from 3 media outfits. The first will be The Nation. The correspondent, please come forward. After we can take from TVC, and the News Agency of Nigeria. News cover. The Nation. Project. Project.
Good afternoon, Your Excellency. Let me first and foremost express our condolence to all of us in the state. Going by what's going on in the street, I'm sure you're very particular about it. Then this morning, we gathered that these people, there has been reports of these activities, of what they are piling up in that place. And about 2 occasions, they were arrested and released. I don't know how true if you are aware. Then secondly, sir, what is government doing? Yes, private residents, people can do whatever they like in their homes. But the government not looking at checkmating some of these illicit activities that people take undue advantage of, all in the name of private and personal residents.
Well, I will allow the CP to talk about arrest and release. If anyone is to be arrested here, he is the one in charge of internal security. But let me say this, when you say on the streets.
Okay, my wonderful people, shebi you don't hear what you talk for this video. I beg, may you tell us what you think, and may you let us know your own opinion for inside comment section. Do you think that oil and gas will go, and do you think that a different sort of energy will take place? If you think so, write in the comment section, because it is because of this oil and gas that they are holding Nigeria today, and Nigeria is not moving and it's not working for anybody, because the money they are getting from it is what they care for their family, to buy house in the US, in Canada, in Europe, and then they will not leave you behind, and you are over there suffering. So anything you have today is Nigeria does not give you. You work it for yourself. If you come outside, only those politicians, all those cabals, all those ones who hold Nigeria captive, they are the ones who are benefiting in what they are doing. And the people who are supposed to benefiting for what they are, like other countries in Western world, other countries in all over the world, who are enjoying what they have. But in Africa, especially in Nigeria, that is a taboo, that you enjoy what come out from your own land. Please share this video and let us know what you think in the comment section. Do you think that this thing that happened in Ibadan, that is a kind of all those Boko Haram, na then do this thing? If you think say na then do them, may you still let us know for inside comment section. You believe in waiting the governor talk, let us know for inside comment section. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you for the next update as it hot.